I know it's technically not white pant season, it's actually snowing here, but I do love a good white pant in the spring and summer. These are the wide leg. I love them so much. The thing is, they're a touch big, like in my hip and crotch area and even in my waist. So because of their wide leg, I would size down one. I got my regular size, which is a size 6, size 28, and I'm probably gonna get a 27. This red top though, this is like the star of the show. You guys know I have a massive love for anything red, but you have this off the shoulder moment. You could definitely wear a strapless bra or even a regular bra if you just wanna put the straps down. I just tucked it into these white pants, but it'd also be cute with like a pair of skinny jeans, because you guys know they're coming back because it has like this little slit on the side too. So it'd be really cute with a pair of trousers or something a little bit skinnier on the bottom.